cool would it be to make our own puppies? I've said this before, and I'll keep complaining about it. Right underneath the driver's seat, just in the center of the bus, of the front of the bus, like right where I sit, is hot. You've got the engine right in front of you. You know, it's like about parallel with your feet. And then right beneath the floor, on the right in the middle where my feet are, is where the transmission is. And that floorboard gets so hot, bro. Like, I'll feel the bottom of my shoes. Like, it's hot enough to melt Jolly Ranchers. I forgot I had Jolly Ranchers in my backpack, and I put them, you know, I put my backpack right there so I can get to my stuff just in case I need it, you know. And yeah, they melt. So, bro, hot, and it takes it out of you too. The window, the front window, does not do jack to help cool you down. Does not do jack. So there are two fans, but they, you know. Anyway, I digress. Anyway, back to what I was talking about earlier. My other dogs. Yeah, so we talked about Gooby. We talked about Duke, who I failed to mention we call the Duke of Europe. He's also a doctor. He's Dr. Duke. He's like that one corn star that does it all. Astronaut, policeman, you know what I mean? He's all that. He does everything. And when Lady Tango brought her dogs into the fold, I called him, you know, she's like, this Duke. I'm like, what's he the Duke of? And she's like, Europe. I'm like, oh, the whole thing? Oh, she's like, the whole thing. I'm like, oh, I bet. What up, Duke? The Duke of Europe. And he's also a doctor. What kind of doctor? It's easier to list the things he's not a doctor of, you know. But anyway, so my wife, we'll go this way, had a real good friend, which they're not really good friends anymore. Imagine that. Ladies, come on, learn how to be friends. You know, I'm not that what my wife does in her personal life, that's on, you know, that's not my business. You know, if she asks for my opinion on something, I'll give my opinion, but what goes on in her personal life with her relationships, that's her. Anyway, they're not some good friends no more, but she had a dog, has still a dog, pure white husky, but no mask at all, no eyeliner, no black lips, like nothing, no mask, just pure white. Good temperament though, at least she used to before she became a mom. You know, she got that postpartum forever. Anyway, those two ladies got it in their heads, how cool would it be to make our own puppies? Oh. The plan was we were only going to keep one. Oh, that's a little husky baby right there. Oh, little husky baby. There's another one. It's Husky Baby Town. Cool. Anyway, and so they did. They mated them. When she was in heat, they mated. And oh, what up, Shadow? Damn, you looking like Twigger. So they mated them, and the result was 5 puppies. 1 black one that looked like a German Shepherd, 1 pure white one, but with makeup, you know, with the mask, eyeliner, and lips. Other than that, no mask, actually. Just eyeliner. But she's so pretty. 1 that looked like Gunner. Oh, I failed to mention. I'll get to that. 1 that looks like Gunner. And then 1 that looks like... it's hard to say. You wouldn't know he's a husky, really. He looks almost just like he's just a big dog. 1 white eye, 1 brown eye. And then Echo. A silver, sly looking dude. He's the coolest. He hates me though. Not really. Anyway, what I failed to mention was Gunner's breed. So we did the doggy 23andMe, and he came back as mostly husky. The second dominant breed was American Bulldog. There's Malamute in there, and Malinois. All huge breeds except for the American Bully. Now Gunner's not very big. I mean, I guess technically he would be classified as a large breed, sort of. He's about 50 freaking pounds. Ish. He's about 2.5 feet tall, 2 feet tall, and about 4 feet from tip to nose. And he is a very soft dog, like a creamy, beigey, with a white tip tail and a white sock on his left paw. And eyeliner, bright electric ice white eyes. Very handsome. And he's got a little mustache right above his upper lip. It's a curly-Q mustache, you know. And then he's also got mutton chops, so he's very, very distinguished gentleman. So anyway, there was a dispute with my wife, her friend, and family who were going to obtain one or more of these dogs. Blah blah blah. A fight ensued. So one of our good friends, Noah, got one that looks like Gunner, but girl. They all have a white sock, and they all have a white tip tail. Even the white one has a slightly different shade of white at the tip of her tail. And so anyway, long story short, Noah got Gaia, he named her. Oh my god, yeah. And also my wife's friend, because she was watching them, because she had the mom, she named them all these old-timey white, like old Betty White names, like Joan. There was another one, I think Leo, which was like the only like decent name, even though Leo, nah. And then there was like Joan, Jill. There's like, it was just weird. It was just old-timey white people names, you know, like Protestant Christian type. Interesting. Anyway, yeah, we threw those names right out the frickin' door. So we kept the all-white one with the black eyeliner. I called her Lilith. And she's my pretty princess. We call her Chill Peel. Because she's crazy, she's stupid, she keeps eating tampons. she'll find them. And of course, no, they're not clean. They are spent. And then she gets stuck. So I have to go pull him out of her butt because she won't let my wife do it. So, and then we also kept Echo, and he's big boy. He's huge, dude. Now he's about 2.5, 3 feet tall, ish. He's what you would classify, I guess, as a 2XL dog, because he's just beef. You know, his arms are about as thick as mine, bro. Like my forearms. That's how big his arms are. Standing up on his hind legs, like all the way up, he's about 5 foot 2 inches tall if he's standing up. 5 foot 1, actually, because he's just a half inch shorter than my wife. She's 5 foot 1.5. So yeah, he's 5 foot 1, 5 foot and a half. Anyway, huge dog. He's about 100 pounds, I'd say. And yeah, he eyeballs me all the time. He's always looking at me, man. He's always like, "What are you doing?" You know, like I'll be in the kitchen doing something, he's looking over there like, "What are you planning?" I'm like, "I'm not doing anything, bro." He's like, "Yeah, right. I got my eyes on you." I'm like, "I didn't do anything, bro." So he started doing that, so I started picking on him. You know, I'll like stare at him from the kitchen. He's like laying on the couch because he's so tired, he's so big. You know, I'll be staring at him in the kitchen and I'll just slowly hide behind the counter and move somewhere else and pop up. And he's like, "Ooh." And then like in bed, like my dogs sleep on the bed, and I'll reach over and like scratch him and pet him on the back of the neck and stuff, and he's like, "Whoa, who the fuck was that?" And I'm like, "It's me." He's like, "No, don't touch me." I'm like, "Alright, sorry." Damn. Lily's my girl, dude. It was supposed to be reversed. You know, my wife's supposed to have the girl dog. I was supposed to have Echo, the big boy dog. We didn't know how big he was going to get. But he just turned into the biggest mama's boy. He's the hugest baby. And oh my God. Lily's a spaz and a half. So sometimes, I mean, there's like a brain cell in there maybe rattling around, and half the time it's asleep. You know, and it's probably got some sort of developmental issue. You know what I'm saying? So it's cool to have, oh, and their temperaments are just awesome. They're so gentle. You know, you try to give them something and they just barely try to take it from you, and then they'll inspect it somewhere else. You know, like, "Thank you," instead of just like, "Give me that shit." So gentle, so kind, so thoughtful and cutesy. God, I hate that. Anyway, so yeah. Lily's just a problem. You know, she's always the problem. She instigates all the fights. She gave Gunner a scrappy ear one time. She didn't really know, you know, someone had to put her in her place, and so they did. And we still do. You know, they'll mouth her snout sometimes. It's like a way of saying, "Hey, dude, stop. But yeah, she bit the tip of Gunner's ear off, and now he's got a scrap ear. It looks cool. So he's got a scrap ear and he's got 2 titanium teeth, dude. He's just looks like he came back from freaking war or something. You know, like the tip of his ear got shot off. So, but yeah, we love our little dog family, our little dog pack. Dogs are better, man. Dogs are better than people. You know, they'll never talk shit behind your back. I mean, they probably do. There's a study or whatever that says dogs judge the crap out of you, and girl dogs judge you even harder. And I'm like, yeah, I believe that. Especially Echo is looking at me like, "What are you doing over there? I don't trust you, man." And then I'll, like, you know, play fight with my wife or whatever. He's like, "Ah, stop that. No, do not mess with my mom." And I'm like, "Yo, dude, chill, bro. We're just, you know, I'm just trying to get lucky, homie." You know what I mean? I'm just testing the waters here, you know, and see what we can make happen. So, anyway, I love them. Anyway, so what do you love about your dogs? What's your favorite breed anyway? Because obviously we're partial to Huskies. Anyway, yeah, tell me about it in the comments. What do you love? Or do you not even like dogs? What's your animal of choice? Or do you not like animals? I think that's weird if you don't like any animals, but tell me why. Tell me why. But that's it for me today. I love you. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.